We'll have some twisties now. These are like small twisties, not compared to Malsage. These are nothing. Ooh, bad patch, bad patch. It's easy peasy for Marcos. आगे भी ऐसा ही है. That's why I'm saddling. So all this now, it's like a training session. Like we both consider it as a training session for our future Ladakh Kaza ride. Yeah, this is the highway. Yeah, say, I mean, it's a single lane, but still.
You've waited all this time.
Another 38 kilometers more to go. Roads are amazing, but the traffic, the way people are driving or riding, that's, I don't know, they are putting themselves at risk. खुद के जान पे वो लोग खुद के जान से वो लोग खेल रहा है. I mean, by trying to overtake and all those stuff. I don't know when they will understand. Met a couple of good riders back there, and we did a mandatory bikers handshake. I mean, that's the beauty of being a motorcycle lover or a rider. The brotherhood of motorcycles, as you can see. मतलब ना हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, नाम पता है या एड्रेस पता है, कहाँ से आ रहा है, कहाँ पे जा रहा है, कुछ भी पता नहीं, बट वो ब्रदरहुड हम लोग को कीप अस यूनाइटेड. एंड दैट शेक, मोटरसाइकिल bikers handshake, that's what keep us going. I got no words to describe how good Marcos is performing. I mean, हाँ मैं बार बार वही बोल रहा हूँ, but it makes me so happy. Yeah, I'll have to get down and stretch a little bit. Not seeing any good shop. Oh side. I have to take a U-turn and your boy is a little lazy today. चलो आगे जाके देखते हैं. I don't know if you guys can see that view on top, because it's covered by the fog. So we're going there actually. We're going to climb there today. So the Ghat section will kind of start from here. It's sunny, but in a way it's good. Like the visibility will be better, but the fun would have been there if if it was raining and was a little bit more foggy. Look at that. So another 20 more kilometers and we'll reach the viewpoint of Malsej. But I can already see, the ghats are covered in kind of thick fogs, like if you can see that. Whoa, look at that. कि अभी मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हूँ, I mean as usual, because I didn't drive too fast. I was just enjoying the view. That's what I do. That's the kind of a rider I'm. तो इसलिए मैं, even if the map shows 3 hours, for me it might take another 1 hour, like so 4 hours. So I left at 6:15, and then with little bit of breaks here and there, might go a little ahead. But the weather is good, so that's a good thing. Even though it's showing 33, not so dehydrating kind of weather. It's a pleasant weather. Look at that view. बस ये काफ़ी है. Not this view, that view. I mean, views like these, no? There are no words to describe it. Wow, look at that. I mean, look at that view. Again. And it keeps getting better and better as you approach the twisties. यहाँ पे फ़ोन का नेटवर्क रेंज नहीं है ना, सिग्नल बहुत कम है. आई मीन ऑलमोस्ट नहीं है. लाइक मैं वहाँ पे पीछे पानी मंगाने के लिए रुका था, तो सिग्नल नहीं था, तो आई कुडंट जीपे. लकली मेरे पास कुछ कॉइन्स थे 10 और 20 का, तो आई कुड पे हिम, अदरवाइज प्रॉब्लम हो जाते. I mean, ऐसी सिचुएशन में, I mean, I should have had a backup. I forgot to withdraw some money. View keeps getting better and better. इतना beautiful है, like we are so blessed, so blessed. Everybody is out to enjoy the Saturday, and when you have views like these, it doubles the excitement. Full mind, body, everything get refreshed. It's like whatever impurities that are left inside you get cleansed with coming to such places. Only thing is that we need to be a little more responsible. Like कचरा वचरा यहाँ वहाँ नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. Other than that, I'm all okay. Because the last week when I went to Kumbhe, I saw like so much of trash being left behind by the people who visit there, which is a sad thing actually. And the villagers, they keep their village so clean and but it's we people who come from the urban jungle that makes everything worse. look at that fog, the thick fog. यहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं है, but peace, that is 100%. The signal of peace is 100%. Network is 0. I know the Himalayan brother, the Hanley Black. Like abhi I get to see like how the rear light looks like, because the tail lamp and the indicators are like integrated to each other, integrated in one light, right? So I never get to see that. So ऐसे I get to see like how it looks like. Yeah, now the actual Ghat road starts. KTM guys, हाँ इधर थोड़ा सा waterfall है. See that? I don't know why. What's the need of? I mean, I've seen like many big influencers and riders have mentioned in a lot of reels and videos that use the hazard light when it's needed. There's a meaning behind the term hazard. तभी use करने का. And अभी तो there's no need also for that. But still that guy is using the hazard light. चलो विजिबिलिटी अगर कम है तो तभी भी समझ सकता है, बट क्या बोलूँ. एंड एज यू आर क्लाइंबिंग आई कैन फील दैट द ऑक्सीजन लेवल इज काइंड ऑफ गेटिंग लो एंड लो. लाइक मार्कोस कैन हैंडल इट, बट आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू इट, सो थोड़ा आई माइट फील अ बिट हेवी और ऐसा कोई इशू तो नहीं हुआ, बट या थोड़ा यू फील लिटिल बिट अनकम्फर्टेबल. द रोड्स आर बिट पैची. लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई केम इट वाज रियली गुड, बट आई थिंक उसके बाद कुछ इतना कुछ खास पैच वर्क नहीं किया लोग ने. It's a nice curve. Can you see that map? That's the twisties that we are taking right now. A little bit disappointed actually. I thought it's going to rain and foggy रहेगा, but हाँ ऊपर तो है, ऊपर तो it's supposed to be like that, but on these roads last time it was a different environment altogether. There used to be a waterfall and they call it car wash waterfall because वो जो tunnel जब जाते हैं ना, तो the waterfall kind of washes all the cars that or all the vehicles that goes through it, so that's why they call it car wash waterfall. But अभी तो बारिश नहीं हो रही तो it's all dry. वाटरफॉल भी नहीं है, देखो. So many bikers. We will be covering that, going through all that road. लास्ट टाइम तो सब रोड सब एकदम फुल गड्ढे थे, फुल पानी. एंड Magnus struggled, but he made it, but still he was struggling a lot. But अभी तो there's no waterfall. Monkeys. Yeah, that also is something that you have to be very careful when you are stopping here. Make sure that you're not, stopping and having food in your hand. A nice off-road patch. Yeah, I was talking about this road, so it's still like that. So, but Marcos can handle it. ये कहाँ पे जा रहा है? Reels. Another Himalayan brother over there. I'm just going as long as I can to find a good spot, and then वहाँ से एक गुड इनफ ड्रोन शॉट लेने का कोशिश करूँगा मैं. लास्ट टाइम मैं यहाँ पे रुका था विथ मार्कोस, बट आई थिंक देयर इज अ व्यू पॉइंट समवेयर हियर. Go and see like कुछ यहाँ से we'll try to capture some drone shots. Let me just soak in the vibe for a few seconds, and then we'll take some good drone shots from here. We came all the way from there, taking the twisties like this, like this, like this, like this, and from here. So, what a good experience spending some time over here. Was quite peaceful. There is like a good number of crowd today, so a lot of people, family with family, and a lot of motorcyclists and bikers like me. But had a good time, and didn't rain, so managed to capture some good drone shots as well. So was very I felt like I meditated for a long time or something like that, because it was that peaceful. So now let's just head back home, but still have some good views on the way that we'll try to capture. आई मीन अगर बारिश होती तो और थोड़ा मज़ा आ जाता, बट चलेगा. आई मीन दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गुड, बट डेफिनेटली a must visit to all the people in India, and especially in Mumbai or Pune or anywhere in Maharashtra. Once again, should visit Malsej Ghat during monsoon, especially when it rains. Hey, cow. That's a good viewpoint, actually. Super crowded over there. Well, it was worth it, absolutely worth it. Even if it didn't rain, once again the experience was just too amazing. Monkeys. So I hope you all enjoyed my sweet little vlog, motor vlog actually. And yes, I know it's a bit disappointing that we didn't get to see the waterfall properly again. But like you can see, this view is also not too bad, right? So I hope it was a good enough vlog. The content was good. So keep sharing your suggestions, your comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Motovlogging, it's something new for me, but I'm trying to reach there. I mean, the more you do, the more you get well with it, right? That practice makes you perfect, right? So I'm with each and every vlog or the video that I'm trying to shoot, I'm trying to learn so many things, learn from the past mistakes, trying to make adjustments as much as possible. So continue showing the support, the love, and I will be back with another interesting place and interesting ride. So take care, everyone, and a big thumbs up as well.